Mike Skelzy with Talos IoT. Just completed a new air filter monitoring installation, proving that we can save money and filters will last much longer and protect occupant health. So how'd we do it? Got a 20-ton unit here. First thing we did was install a pressure monitoring transducer that tells us how dirty the filter is. That connects to our Talos system here. Pretty simple stuff. That goes to the cloud where we do the analytics. In this instance today, we're running very low. The filter's clean, so we want to make sure that that's correct. 0.025, and also note that it's cold outside, so the indoor fan's not working very hard today. So what we're going to do now is see if the filters are new, and then we can predict when they will need to be changed. In many instances, it's 8 to 12 months after this initial change. So let's roll around the back of the unit here. It'll step up. Daikin makes it very easy. Here's our filter. As you can see, it's almost brand new. You can see right through it. No dirt in it either side. So now we benchmark this and we'll monitor that every day, every hour to make sure we know exactly when to change these filters. That's how we save money. Change them too late, you waste money. Change them too early, you waste money. We do it at exactly the right time. Thank you. Have a great day.